Yeah, it was an amazing film. Like, what an experience these guys must have had.
Yeah, a really good film and really good to document such a great adventure of a rally. Through the 5 days, all the snow conditions, the weather, how the team got on, no, really good.
When they actually got to the ending, it was a bit emotional because I was like, oh, they finally got there after all the issues. So yeah, it was really good. I really enjoyed it.
I thought it was fantastic. I thought it was so well put together, and it told a real story of what the RAC, the ethos and the competition's all about. I think that story was very well told, of the effort you have to go through, the ups and the downs, and just the satisfaction of getting to the finish.
I think that was a fantastic night. I think there's nobody could not have enjoyed that.
Excellent, I really enjoyed it. It was good to see it from the other side, inside the car and the driving.
Great film and really highlighted the team effort behind the scenes of what goes on in the rally.
The drama, the spectacle, the range of conditions, really good.
The movie was ace. To be a part of that was class, and I think the music, the soundtrack, the emotions that was played throughout.
I really enjoyed it, and I'm really proud of Mike and Gary for doing it.